Hi, welcome again in Pivot Table. The purpose of this lecture is to explain the importance of pivot table and use it for summarizing, grouping, sorting, and display the data in a beautiful manner with the powerful pivot functionalities. The big question is why we need pivot table. Can't we get required information by using sorting, filtering, and applying functions in an Excel sheet itself? Let us start with the real-time scenario. You have reached your office and open your mailbox. Latest email is from your boss, which has Excel attachment. You open the Excel. Excel has a raw data as shown on right hand side. Boss is asking to send below information to him immediately from the Excel. For the first info sort, which city has the highest profit? Well, very easy. No need of pivot table here. We can use sorting and get the answer. Boss could have done it himself instead of wasting energy in writing email. Let's come to second info required. Which state has lowest sale? Well, easy again, but need some more steps than question 1. We need to use some functions to sum the data state-wise and get the answer. Let's come to the third info required. Which state has the highest average profit? Becoming more complicated. Need more steps and use more functions. Now, fourth info required from the boss is give me more unbiased insight from the data which is important for decision making. Well, it is open-ended question from boss. Tell me something which I don't know if you want good appraisal. Now, how to please the boss? Can somebody help me? Yes, pivot table and chart can help you in all above questions easily in a minimal steps and time. What exactly pivot table and how it can help me here? A pivot table is a powerful tool to calculate, summarize, and analyze data. Help us to make comparisons, patterns, and trends in our data. Pivot table can be thought of as the upper layer on our raw data. It is a powerful lens through which we can look into the data, analyze the data, and go into deep down to get invisible informations. The key benefits are: first one, it is easy to use. It is a powerful tool to summarize data by dragging the columns to different sections of the table. The columns can also be rearranged as we wish with a mouse click. Next is quick data analysis. With the help of Excel pivot tables, we can handle large amount of data in Excel. Pivot helps in the fast analysis of large amount of data. Now the third, concise summary of data. Pivot helps to summarize data in a quick and easy manner for better analysis. The data can be summarized in a simple format which is easily understandable. It is also very beautiful in summarizing data by applying styles. Now the fourth one is find data pattern easily. Manipulating data view and a pivot helps to find recurring patterns in the data, if any. This in turn will help us in accurate data forecast. Last but not the least is quick decision making. Pivot help users to easily analyze the data and arrive at quick and precise decisions. It is flexible in transforming or analyzing data from all the angles. So, pivot is powerful, fast, wonderful, accurate, and flexible tool of Excel. In the next lecture, we will look into the data itself and restructure it. Thank you.